So I'm working on my 2001 F150. It's giving me lean codes for both banks. So I got a service engine light on, and I checked all the vacuum hoses that I could see and replaced what I saw that was broken and all that kind of stuff. And it didn't go away. You can see I replaced the one right here going to the PCV valve, and then yeah, some little ones up there, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I thought, I guess I'm gonna need to go ahead and get myself a smoke machine. So I did. Got on the old Jungle website, and I got this Shop Series with its own compressor built in. It's called an Autoline Pro Shop Series. So anyway, I got her all hooked up. Got her heating up. Every time I turn it on, it grabs my finger glove. But anyway, so it's already heated up because I had it heated up a minute ago. I'm going to turn it on, and she's running. Now all we got to do is see where the smoke's coming out. So look down there. Yep, it's hidden behind there. That's why I didn't see it. So I got a vacuum leak right back there. And I just got lucky because it's the first one I put it on. I just pulled that off over there. And I think that's the EGR, I don't know. But I unplugged that one and plugged it in there. And I picked that one because I messed with all the rest of them that I could see. And there's the smoke. And where there's smoke, there's vacuum leak. Not fire, vacuum leak. So yeah, I recommend getting one of these little deals. Autoline Pro from Amazon. I'll try and put the link down below. See you next time.